Hey, it's Aaron, and if you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this website right here called Prograd, and maybe you're wondering, is it legit? Can you really make money from Prograd, or is this a big waste of time? Let's check it all out. Anytime if you want to get my favorite way to get to $10,000 a month or more, 100% from home, just click the link all the way below, and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I have reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online. Some of them are really good, some of them are so-so. A lot of them, though, are a big waste of time. So let's check out Prograd to find out exactly what it's about. Is it legit or is it a waste of time? Let's check it out, all right? Now, Prograd is basically a financial education platform, all right? You can sign up for free. It's got some really good ratings. And essentially, in a nutshell, what it does is it takes you through some training on financial literacy and understanding how to make money in the real world, how to manage your money, how to invest. And at the same time, they recommend different side hustles online, so that you can try them out yourselves. And the more you go through their modules, the more points they give you, and then you can exchange that for rewards. So it's a pretty cool kind of like, make money educational style platform, okay, which is 100% free, which is really cool, all right? So you can log in right here, or you can click on Start Earning. And once you click on Start Earning, there will be an onboarding process, right, where you would fill out your details. So things like, how much money would you like to earn? And you would fill that out. What's your age? You fill that out. Where are you based? You'd fill that out. What kind of grind are you, open to? What kind of salary are you looking up? And that kind of thing, okay? So I'm going to show you exactly here how it works. But after you sign up and give them the information, which I recommend that you do, they will customize it as much as they can anyway and give you some recommendations. So every single day, they're going to give you something called a drop. Okay, so let me just show you this, right? So their drops are tailored to you and your preferences. Okay, so the way it works is they will show you different side hustles that you can start. Okay, now you don't have to join every single side hustle. That's the good thing about Prograd. They will basically show you different types of side hustles, like, do you want to try out a GPT website? Do you want to try out a micro gig freelance website? Do you want to try out a flipping website? Things like that, right? And then if you want to try it out, they will link you out to a specific website where you can actually start a side hustle. Now, you can try it or you can skip it, okay? And then as you go along, they will educate you on different topics like how to invest, how to save money, right? How to build a side hustle, the different income streams that you might need, things like that, okay? And as you're doing that, again, you're gonna accumulate points within the Prograd itself, and then what you can do at the end is you can exchange it for some rewards. So here, points to power up how you earn. Okay, so basically we match the money boosting activities that work best to you and your situation. Build this towards your financial goals and receive pro points for making progress as you go through their free educational modules. Okay, so 100 points is equal to £1, which is roughly about 80 to 90 cents US dollars, and then you can redeem them as quickly as £1 in store vouchers. Okay, and then the whole idea here is you're meant to be able to take that money and then reinvest it back into your education or your business, and then generate income more that way, which is kind of cool. Okay, so they're educating you, they're giving you access to some cool side hustles that you can start. By the way, a lot of the side hustles that they're doing right here, they're not going to make you rich, okay? They're just opening your eyes to what's available. And that's what's interesting about this platform, is that they're educating you. They're also giving you access to different drops and different opportunities. Some of these people are their partners. All right, so that's how they make money on the side as well. They recommend you to different side hustles, different websites, different freelance platforms, different GPT websites, different survey websites that you can start. A lot of them, though, aren't going to make you huge money. All right, they're not really designed to do that. But if you spend a little bit of time on these, side hustle projects and drops, it is potential to make a little bit of extra money, right? And then you get educated at the same time, and then you can make some additional rewards and bonuses on Prograd website itself. So it's pretty cool, okay? And I think it's a cool way to get you to learn a little bit about earning more money and educating yourself. Okay, so here you go. Blah, 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 blah. Earn the cash from our partner opportunities and pro points and added cash bonuses automatically after you have completed your different tasks and educational platforms. Okay, and that's kind of how it works. All right, so Would I recommend Prograd? I think Prograd is pretty cool, all right? It's definitely a way. Look, if there's no better way to control your income than to become more financially literate. And the problem that we have in the world today is most people don't understand how to manage their money. They don't understand how to manage debt. They don't know how to invest. They don't know how to build a side income besides their full-time job where they're getting their salary. So Prograd is a pretty cool educational platform that, number one, educates you. Number two, gets you more financial literate. Number three, gives you access to different side hustles to open your eyes on what's possible out there, all right? The only thing that I would say is that their side hustles aren't super high earning, right? Yes, you can make money from GPT websites. Yes, you can make money from freelancing. Yes, you can, fill out surveys and make money that way. But a lot of these strategies are very low income generating strategies, all right? If you want to make bigger money, stick around till the end and I'll show you exactly how you can do that because I've reviewed so many strategies on this channel. But overall, I think Prograd is pretty cool, all right? So if you want to check it out, prograd.uk, all right? Now, if you're here watching this video right now, maybe you're looking for a way to make big money online. Now, on this channel, like I mentioned at the start, I have reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different strategies. I've even put in my own money to test a lot of them. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. But out of all the good strategies, I've used one of them to quit my job fully in 2019, okay? I 5 times my old corporate salary with this strategy. I think it's great for beginners. If you've never made money online before, definitely worth checking out. If you want to check out my step-by-step masterclass on exactly how I use this strategy, just click the link all the way at the bottom and I'll give you access to that training for free and you can check it out, all right? I hope you enjoyed this review of prograd.uk. I wish you all the best. See you on another video review. Take care.